Hi everyone, this is the gas walkthrough for February 2nd. I'm Philip Newman. Today I'm solving NISSAN ALTIMA by Bill Murphy. This is a zone Sudoku. So we have normal Sudoku rules, 1 to 9 in each row, column, and 3 by 3 box. Additionally, we have some cages, and the digits that are given associated with the cages are the digits that must appear in those cages. And the number of digits given for all of these is the same as the size of cage. So these are all the digits that appear. You could have zone Sudoku where not all of the digits are given, but that's not the case here. So those are the rules, and you'll notice in this puzzle we have a lot of duplicates. So this cage has 2 1s and 2 2s, 2 7s and 2 8s, 2 5s and 2 6s, 2 3s and 2 4s. So we're going to make use of those immediately to resolve some of these other cages. So we've already accounted for both of the 2s in these rows. So 2 cannot appear in any of these cells, but there is a 2 in the cage, so it must go here. And now this cage has 2 4s in it. We can't put a 4 here because then 4 couldn't go in either of these. So the 4s have to be like that, leaving 8 there, and that resolves 7, 8, 7, 8, like that. 7 in this cage is ruled out of these cells. 7 must go here. We need 2 1s, and this is a 5, 6, 5, 6, 5. 6 in this cage must go here. We need 2 8s, and that places 4 here. 3, 4, 3, 4. And 3 in this cage must go here. We need 2 5s, and that places 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. So that's all of those resolved. The remaining cages are 2 cell, and they are pairs of digits. All including a 9, for whatever that's worth. This column still needs a 7. There's a 7 there, so 7, 6. These are 3 and 8. This column needs a 2 and a 3. There's a 3 there. These are 4 and 7. We're going to have 2, 6, and 9 here, but 9 can't go in either of those because of these pairs. So this is 9, and then 6 resolves 2 and 6. Leaves a 3 here and a 7 here. These digits are 1 and 6. These digits are 2 and 5. All right, let's look at these columns now. In this column, we need 7 and 9. Don't think that's resolved yet. In this column, we need 3 and 9. In this row, we need 6 and 9. And in this row, we need 2 and 9. All right, from here, you need something a little advanced. What I used when I was test solving was not what I'm going to use now. If you pencil mark a whole bunch, you can end up with some triples or quads or something like that, I believe. But what Bill has actually set up here is some X-wings. So if we look at this column, 9 must appear in one of these cells. And if we look at this column, 9 must appear in one of these cells. So if 9 is here, it can't go here, it must be here. And if 9 is here, it can't go here, it must be here. Either way, we've accounted for the 9s in rows 1 and 9. So what that means is this can't be 9. This must be 4, 9. This also can't be 9. This must be 8, 9. And we can do the same thing here. Let's color this one purple. 9 appears in one of these cells and in one of these cells. So we need 2 9s. One of them can go here, one of them can go here, and those are accounted for in the columns. So this cannot be 9, and this cannot be 9. And now that's going to help resolve some things. We're still going to have to do a little pencil marking, I think. So in this column we need 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. 6 is not here. This is not 1 or 5. This is not 6. This is not 2. This is not 1 or 5. So now the only place for 5 is here. And I think we actually could have gotten that without the X-Wings, maybe. Not sure. This is the only place for 1. This is 6 now. And this is 9, 6, 9, 2. This is 7, 4, and 7. The 9, because these are in the same box, this is actually a little more complicated than a normal X-Wing. Gives us some more information. The 7 here resolves 2 and 6. Alright, and now we've got a lot more in the grid. We should be able to finish it off from here. These are 1 and 3. These are 4 and 8, which we can resolve from the 4. Gives us 8 and 3. These are 1 and 5. These are 3 and 7. These are 2 and 6. And these are 8 and 4. That's the solution. So a little bit of a sticking point toward the end. You can get there by pencil marking, but if you found the X-Wings, congrats. Let us know how you did in the comments, and I will see you next time.